じ山のもみじに心を委ねて、竹林の隙間から差す光を追いかけた。二校の階段で一人立ち止まり、昔の記憶と重ね合わせるように秋の風に包まれて、過ぎ去った日々を思う。緑豊かなこの景色が心に染みる。思い出と共に巡った道、一歩と一歩秋のぬくもり感じて。
Ivy, come on.
Sit back and enjoy the ride. As you can see, there are lots of fun activities in today's adventure park. The 60-foot super slide, the jumping pillow, our giant wooden playground and swing set, the rope maze, the kids zip line, the wind tunnel, and our lookout tower. From the first level of the tower, you can take a look out to see just what you're getting into. In the winter or springtime, you'll see flowers either getting planted or growing, and in the fall, you'll see our 7-acre corn maze. We've been throwing our annual fall festival and corn maze for well over 20 years now, and we love to
There's a second attraction
each year for a new theme, so be sure to check out this year's design. Beyond this field is our tree maze in the shape of an ear corn and properly both in the fall and again in the
What
spring.
crops are those,
We grow
you think?
400 acres of pickling cucumbers and 40 acres of the world famous Zoa tree corn.
Okay.
Through the winter, we grow 375 acres of red and green cabbage, as well as 20 acres of grapes. Fortunately, these crops are able to withstand the frosty and freezing weather that may otherwise damage less hardy crops.
Should be cucumbers over
Scott's
there.
Zoa sweet corn is a triple sweet, extra tender variety of vine-colored corn that combines the newer, sweeter varieties with the older, tender varieties you remember from your grandma's garden. So whether you like white corn or yellow corn,
Which is packed in the field on harvest days in cardboard cartons, then stacked on pallets on a field truck, transported to the packing house, and goes into the cool room to await shipment. It is all hand-cut and packed to the size and count ordered by our customers, with the most popular size being a 16 to 18 count. That means there are 16, 17, or 18 heads of cabbage per box. Greens are also packed in the field, but the leaves are bunched with UPC-coated rubber bands and packed in either 12 or 24 bunches to the carton, weighing in at about 20 pounds. Cabbage matures in 90 to 100 days from planting, and we will average 50,000 pounds or 25 tons per acre. Greens mature a little sooner at 50 to 55 days and will average 1,200 cartons per acre. Cool crops are an excellent rotation crop because they act as a natural nematicide, which means they rid the soil of unwanted nematodes that can affect the health and growth of our other crops.
Yeah.
Right now or not yet?
Sure.
I thought you were looking at, oh, give it.
Sipping coffee, lost in thought, a quiet retreat, watching the world in slow motion glide as the city lights begin to confide. be just a soulful sound as raindrops fall.
See where we are.
A rhythm is
Right, so
found in the heart of the city. A bittersweet swing.
just under.
Autumn's embrace where memories cling. Fading low. A soft cool.
Oh, that's kind of hard to see on the camera.
Autumn's melancholy.
So Mesovision number 1.
Where's one? Can't even see. Yellow one.
I guess. Sure. Yeah. We're always going right.
Oh no, it's a yellow.
Okay.
Oh, you just turned it there.
Nice. Mm-hmm. There it is.
It's the same.
Yep.
We're still lost.
Yeah. Nice. Get the white ribbon. Rode all the way there. Yep. Come on.
Where are we?
Get going.
Whispers of autumn nights, a symphony of fading lights, melancholy in the air, memories we used to share. The air grows crisp, a gentle chill, as twilight settles, the world stands still, and stars emerge down in the night. The night shines bright as your light. Whispers of autumn nights, a symphony
What's up?
of fading lights, melancholy in the air.
Wait again. There's my mom.
I'm lost.
We're lost. We are all lost.
We came here to get lost.
Mm-hmm. Wait, is this the exit? Oh wait, no. No, I think it's just a map.
Oh, State Farm is yellow.
Okay.
We're at the light, so we're
We're
at
at
the
the
top.
white, you're at the top.
Whispers of autumn nights, a symphony of fading lights, melancholy in the air, memories we used to share. Autumn leaves fall like tears from love lost to passing years. Whispers of autumn nights, fading with the summer's light.
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh, they got a radio going on? Nice.
We went earlier. No, we didn't see the State Farm. The tornado, we did see that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
There's the thing. There's that map. Shit. Ooh. Nice. Lovely. We're so close. Yeah. Uh-huh. But we should be close. It's hot. Oh yeah. Nice. We did it. We did it.
We got out.
Finally. And there's the white one.
No more.
Yep. We defeated the maze.
And we didn't see all of it.
Yeah.
Hi, what's that? Blue raspberry and one monster.
Oh, so you flavor yourself.
You do that, I'm gonna get my ice cream. I'll get my ice cream.
Don't put your spur in. This is 30 seconds. Sorry,
Fill it up, right?
Yeah, that would be destroyed if I go there. That's nice.
Forward a little bit. Maybe a bit back. You want to land on the roof? You should be there. You're good.
Can't see, just move back.
Hold on, there's a car on your right, Mom, or left. Maybe it's gonna take over something.
We're going the wrong way.
I think I'm gonna make it.
Right looks good.
Park ko madi babae nga di.
I guess that's part.
Somebody took it.
Well, they're
Oh,
going the
no.
wrong way.
Oh no, this guy. Nakausli diya may sahaan. Nagpasa na. Patay nakausli diya. Kailan tayo di bakit ka nasakitan dito?
At least they have many spots here.
Exit there.
Where's the exit? You right there.
Can I shit here? nakangarod na ag-stop.
Isang.